Hey everyone, it's Jenny from the Edison Public Library, and today we are going to make such a fun craft. So I know school is coming back up for a lot of kids, and right now we really don't know what's going to be happening. So I wanted to make something fun for whether you go in person to school or you stay home. So today we are going to be making googly-eyed pens. What is that, you ask? Well, let me tell you. So what you're going to need for this craft is a set of pens, whatever kind of pens you like. I have just regular standard pens. I think I have one blue and two black. Scissors. You're gonna need some kind of fabric. I didn't have regular fabric. I just had like this felt. So I'm gonna use the felt instead. You're definitely gonna need googly eyes, and you're also going to need a hot glue gun. So parents, you may need to help your children with this craft. So to get started, what you're going to do is take your fabric and cut it up into strips, long strips that will get wrapped around the pen. So my fabric, I'm going to start with blue. And you're most likely going to want a couple different colors of the fabric. So that way, the hair, because yes, it's going to have hair, the hair can be a different color than the actual pen. So I'm gonna start with my blue, and I'm just gonna cut these into long, like 1/2-inch strips all the way down. Okay. So I finished my strips. They don't have to be perfect. They just have to be somewhat wrappable. So what I'm going to do is next is I'm going to grab a paper plate just because I'm using a plastic tablecloth under here. So I want something that I can lean my strips against when I use my hot glue gun. So the next thing you're going to do is take your hot glue gun and just make like a squiggle, kind of, all the way down. So that way the glue sticks to your pen. And please be careful because it is hot. So then the next thing I'm going to do is take one of my pens and begin to roll it. So I'm gonna start at the bottom. So I'm going to take my felt and wrap it all the way up my pen. It's not gonna look perfect, but it's going to look really cute at the end. All right. So now I have my felt pen all wrapped up. As you can see, they're all glued and wrapped up. So now I'm gonna make the top part of the pen. So I'm gonna pick another color of my felt, which I think I'm going to pick this yellow. And I'm not gonna need the whole thing, so I'm probably just gonna cut it in half. And save the rest for another project later. So I'm going to need 3 strips, so these ones will be definitely thicker than the last ones. Okay, so these ones are gonna be a little bit bigger, maybe like 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So now what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to create hair. So I'm going to just slice it into, you know, like little hair strips. You don't wanna cut down all the way because you still need to glue the bottom to the pen. So I'm just gonna make little strips of hair. Okay, since I finished my strips of hair, What I'm going to do now is take one of my pens and I'm going to begin the hot gluing again. And this is gonna go at the very top. So we're gonna wrap it around. Like this. We got cool funky hair going on. And now we're gonna complete our pen by gluing on some googly eyes. So you can choose any kind you like. They could be big, they could be little. For this one, I think I'm gonna go big. And want them to look, really stand out. And voila, you have your pen. So now you can use this and you can write on anything. And it makes a really nice pen cover. See? Let me just finish up the next 3 and I will show you all of them at the end. Okay, so we have now completed all 3 of our pens. You can use any different kinds of eyes, you can use any different kinds of styles with the colors and everything. You could put pipe cleaners, you can put glitter on these, you can do whatever you want. Mine kind of look like minions. I was kind of going for that theme. I have a 3-eyed one, I have a 1-eyed cyclops, and then I have a 2-eyed guy. And they got super cool hair. So these are super awesome and they're very comfortable to hold. You could use any different type of fabric with them, whatever you have laying around the house. If you have like an old t-shirt you'd want to cut up, or if you want to use the felt, feel free. But I hope you guys enjoyed my craft. Leave a comment below if you guys do it and send a picture as well. And good luck in school this year, everybody. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.